What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
All right, guys. I don't know if you're biblical. I don't know how your mind works. I don't know what's going on. All I know is I grew up in church when I was a kid, and they told me something about the mark of the beast, and there was going to be this chip that gets in your hand, and they told me not to get it. That being said, it is an article that we got to discuss because today Elon Musk did get Neuralink. That's right. Neuralink FDA approval. And I'm starting to think the FDA will approve anything, no matter if it sounds like the end of days and the end of time. Justin, please take us to the damn article, man.
Yeah, so Elon Musk Neuralink did actually receive FDA approval, but it's a brain chip, not a hand chip. So, you know,
that makes it a lot better.
Tomatoes. Hey, they can control your mind now. So Neuralink, the brain implant company founded by Elon Musk, I swear he's got more companies than anybody else. He's got Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, and Neuralink. So it got approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to launch its first in-human clinical trials. I pray for that first human that goes through this clinical trial.
I do too.
So Musk has said since 2019 that Neuralink will soon be able to begin human trials. Now with the approval from the FDA, testing can begin. Neuralink only sought approval last year despite being founded in 2016. The aim of the brain implant is to treat intractable conditions such as paralysis and blindness, which is actually pretty cool. I mean, giving the opportunity to give people back the ability to walk or, you know, use their arms again, people being able to see potentially for the first time ever in their lives, I think that's pretty dope. Now, if you're a conspiracy theorist and you think that this is to control people in the mark of the beast, then maybe it's not so cool. But the federal government has previously probed Neuralink company and its objective. Last year, the USDA's Inspector General investigated, at the request of the federal prosecutors, potential violations of the Animal Welfare Act. The probe also looked into the USDA oversight of Neuralink. This is the result of incredible work by the Neuralink team in close collaboration with the FDA and represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people. The Neuralink announcement on Twitter reads, Elon Musk and Neuralink company have said that recruitment for the trials is not yet available, but they will announce more information, probably on Twitter, soon. The FDA has yet to say anything further about the regulations for the trials. I forgot Elon Musk also owns Twitter, so you can add that to his bags of things that he owns as well. Now, what's interesting about this for me is I wonder if they're going to try to incorporate crypto somehow in this, right? I think there could be some applications there, right? One, paying for this through a crypto token, right? I'm surprised that we haven't seen any Neuralink crypto tokens come out yet, but yeah, potentially having a crypto being able to pay for such treatment at a discount, something like that. Also, just, I don't know. I mean, Elon Musk is pretty innovative, so I'm sure he can work some way of putting some type of cryptocurrency in this. But as a whole, I mean, it's an advancement in technology that's pretty cool in my opinion. So, Hobbs, what do you think?
It all just makes me nervous.
Mark of the beast.
Starting to make me look. It's starting to make it feel like a little bit Terminator-ish, end of days-ish. I feel like this is all where it starts, people. This is the end. I'm just kidding. Look, you believe whatever you want to believe, but if we're just talking objectively, this is amazing, right? It has amazing potential to be life-changing to multiple peoples for all of the reasons that Justin just had mentioned. I think that it absolutely will have Twitter capabilities, which in turn will have crypto capabilities, because that's just the way Elon Musk thinks, right? Like, he's always being innovative. And this is yet another situation where he's innovating the space, whether it be cars that drive themselves, taxis that pick you up without without a person in it. He's trying to take the society to another level in regards to technology. So in that sense, I think it's going to be incredible, but it won't be going in my head. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Please come back and see myself and Jay Seals on the ClearCryptos educational channel. We are ending this one, and we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.